name is Crystal Staggs. I am a funding consultant with Ion Capital Solutions. I have over 20 years experience in the real estate industry. Due to an unexpected health situation, my husband and I had to make some life changes, and we decided it no longer made sense to put 70 plus hours a week in for someone else's gain. We attended a training program through a different company, and they promised everything under the sun but delivered very little. So we spent thousands of dollars to only leave confused and didn't know which way to really go. We were building that platform from the ground up and thought we were supposed to have a turnkey business when we left that training program, but we didn't. So as we were assessing everything, we actually came upon Ion Capital Solutions, and we watched everything we could possibly find about them on YouTube and tried to do better due diligence, even though we thought we had done great due diligence the first time. But with that being said, once we got into that, we were excited and interested, but we were still skeptical. We had our first phone conversation, and from that point forward, we feel like we've had a lot of support, people who understand, and they're there to guide you and help you succeed. So for a fraction of the cost compared to what we had paid with the other company, we've got more substance and value. We have partners, if you will, or colleagues that work with us along the way, and we are able to reach out anytime we have a question to a variety of platforms to find answers to those questions, even without reaching out to a person directly, although we have many people that are in direct access with us that we can reach out to. Ion Capital Solutions actually provide you with a step-by-step program so you know what to do, when to do it, how to do it. Even if you aren't strong in things like IT or marketing and things like that, there's somebody there to walk you through the process to help you out in any way that you need. And the question's probably already been asked, but it doesn't matter. You can ask it again, and there's somebody there to help and guide you. So if loan brokering interests you and you are determined and disciplined and willing to work toward those goals and put forth the effort, then I think Ion Capital Solutions is the next step for you. They're there to help you move forward, to give you that roadmap to move from where you once were to where you want to be, as they've done for us.